Hi, my name is Dhruv and I'm going to be talking about a general overview of vaccines. This includes what a vaccine really is, the different types of vaccines, which can be split into 4 different groups, and examples of diseases that can be vaccinated for in each of the 4 different types of vaccines. What are vaccines? Vaccine refers to something that makes antibodies to provide immunity against one of many diseases. Antibodies refer to elements in the body that try to counteract these diseases by binding to them and counteracting an antigen. The vaccine is prepared from the actual disease. A small form of the disease-causing agent, or a synthetic version, is prepared to act as an antigen without actually inducing the disease. Live virus vaccine. These type of vaccines are usually created through a series of cell cultures and include vaccinations for smallpox, measles, chickenpox, and influenza nasal spray. The smallpox vaccine was the first vaccine created. It was made by the observation that milkmaids that had cowpox did not later get smallpox. Measles is a viral infection that is very common for young children, but is easily preventable by this vaccine. Chickenpox is another viral infection that causes mild fever and itchy blisters. Finally, influenza nasal spray is a nasal spray form of the vaccination for the flu. Killed inactivated vaccines. Killed vaccines are usually created through inactivating and preserving a pathogen, such as polio, hepatitis A, and rabies. Polio is a virus that causes paralysis, however, is easily prevented by the vaccine. Hepatitis A is a highly contagious virus that affects the liver. Toxoid vaccines. Toxoid vaccines deal with the toxin in the bacterium itself which causes the actual disease, and inactivating the toxin and including diseases such as diphtheria and tetanus. Diphtheria is a serious infection of the nose and the throat which is easily avoidable by this vaccination. Tetanus is a serious bacterial infection that can lead to muscle spasms and death. Therefore, it is important to get a vaccination for it when you are born. Subunit and conjugate vaccines. Subunit and conjugate vaccines contain only pieces of the pathogen they protect against and include diseases such as hepatitis B, the influenza injection, and HPV. Hepatitis B is another serious infection of the liver, but can easily be fought against through the vaccination. Influenza injection is commonly known as a flu shot and is normally developed twice a year due to the major adaptations of the flu. The HPV vaccine prevents against the human papilloma virus. Thank you for listening. My group members will go over the details of vaccines in the next few videos.